वेलकम बैक। हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। अब तक आपने बहुत वीडियो देखे होंगे, शेयर भी किए होंगे, लेकिन शायद सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए भूल गए कि क्या पता नहीं। इस वीडियो को देखिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स के साथ एंड लास्ट में सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब। ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं आज का नया टाइप डेरिवेटिव का। The new type of differentiation, that is derivative of parametric function. Okay, in this type, two functions are given separately, so it is very easy to identify. Okay, here two functions are given separately. Now we have to differentiate both the functions with respect to parameter. So here theta is a parameter. See the formula: dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by theta d theta. Proof of this theorem is given in the textbook. See, if theta is parameter, then we have to use this formula. If t is parameter, this formula becomes dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Formula changes as per parameter. Now see the first question in exercise 1.4. I have written here x is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, y equal to b into theta minus sin theta. What is the question? Find dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. Now here theta is a parameter, so differentiate both the functions with respect to theta. Okay, now this differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. What is dx by d theta? Here outside d by d theta of 1 minus cos theta. A derivative of theta, derivative of 1 with respect to theta. 1 is constant, therefore derivative of constant term is 0, minus derivative of cos theta with respect to theta. What is the derivative of cos theta? That is minus sin theta. Minus minus plus. So dx by d theta is equal to a sin theta. Similarly, differentiate this function also with respect to theta, because theta is a parameter. Differentiate with respect to theta. dy by d theta, b constant, dy by d theta of theta minus sin theta. Be outside. Constant is in multiple of the function, keep it outside. Derivative of theta with respect to theta, that is 1, minus derivative of sin theta. What is the derivative of sin theta? That is cos theta. b into 1 minus cos theta. Then by derivative of parametric function, by derivative of parametric function, use the formula. क्या है formula? dy by dx equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? b into 1 minus cos theta. What is dx by d theta? a into sin theta. Now use the values. We know that sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. For half angle, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In the similar manner, by using the value of cos 2 theta, here 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. But 1 minus cos theta for half angle, 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so here 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this becomes b into 2 sin square theta by 2 upon a into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, sin theta by 2 एक cancel होगा, so remaining is b sin theta by 2 upon a cos theta by 2. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, therefore dy by dx is equal to b upon a sin upon cos is tan, so it is tan theta. Do you understand? If two functions are given separately, differentiate with respect to the parameter, you will get dx by d theta, dy by d theta. Use this formula and simplify it. This is the working procedure to find the derivative of parameter function. Okay? चलिए second sum लेते हैं. Second one. See the second sum. Y is equal to, so x is equal to under root a square plus m square. Y equal to log of a square plus m square. Now here both sides. So what is the parameter here? Here m is a parameter. So differentiate both the functions with respect to m. Parameter m है, इसलिए differentiate with respect to parameter m ही करना है. So first function let x is equal to, here also we have to find dy by dx. Let x is equal to under root a square plus m square. Differentiate with respect to m. Differentiate with respect to m. So what is dx by dm? So this is d by dm of root a square plus m square. How we can find the derivative of root a square plus m square? Here use the formula derivative of root fx. What is the derivative of root fx? That is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash x. So its derivative is 1 upon 2 root a square plus m square into d by dm of a square plus m square. So is equal to a square is constant. So derivative of constant term is 0. M square का derivative with respect to m is 2m upon 2 under root a square plus m square. So this becomes 2m upon 2 under root a square plus m square. 2 get cancelled. So dx by dm is equal to m upon root a square plus m square. So this is dx by dm. In the similar manner, here we have to find dy by dm. Also, y is equal to log of a square plus m square. Log of a square plus m square. Now differentiate this with respect to m, because m is a parameter. Differentiate with respect to m. Okay, so dy by dm is equal to d by dm of log of a square plus m square. So here, how we can find the derivative? You know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. In the similar manner, derivative of log fx, fx का value है a square plus m square. Derivative of log fx is 1 upon fx into f dash x. So its derivative is 1 upon a square plus m square into d by dm of a square plus m square. So 1 upon a square plus m square. Now derivative of a square is 0 because a square is constant and derivative of constant term is 0. and derivative of m square is 2m. So therefore dy by dm 2m upon a square plus m square. Now use the formula, this dy by dx is equal to dy by dm, because parameter is m, upon dx by dm. So what is dy by dm? 2m upon a square plus m square. What is dx by dm? M upon root a square plus m square. So it becomes 2m upon a square plus m square. डिवीजन में तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन मिल लीजिए, रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर अपॉन m. Okay, this m get cancelled and root a square plus m square upon a square plus m square, just like 10 upon root 10 या root 10 upon 10. Okay, a square plus m square equal to root a square plus m square into root a square plus m square. So its answer is 2 upon root a square plus m square, which is the required dy by dx of the given function x and y. Isn't it? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. One more sum. Okay, third sum. We take the third one. X is equal to cos inverse. X is equal to cos inverse 4t cube minus 3t. 4t cube minus 3t, and y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus t square upon t. Okay, function x and y conducting inverse function. Okay, two functions are given. Question is saying find dy by dx. Now here t is a parameter. Observe RHS. RHS को देखिए, कौन सा पैरामीटर है? t. So we have to differentiate both the functions with respect to t. First take x, differentiate it, you will get dx by dt. Now take another function y, differentiate with respect to t, you will get dy by dt. And finally use the formula dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now let x is equal to cos inverse 4t cube minus 3. Okay, we have to solve this inverse function by using substitution. So what is the substitution here? Put t is equal to cos theta. Why t is equal to cos theta? Because 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the value of cos 3 theta. We have to convert this bracket in terms of cos. That's why substitution is t equal to cos theta. If t equal to cos theta, before differentiation again we have to put the value of theta. If t equal to cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse t. Therefore function y becomes x is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the value of cos 3 theta. So this function becomes cos inverse cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the value of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse cos get cancelled because cos inverse cos x is equal to x. Therefore this function x is equal to 3 theta. Before differentiation you have to substitute the value of theta. Theta is cos inverse t. X is equal to 3 cos inverse t. And now on right hand side t is a parameter, so differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What is dx by dt? 3 upon 3 into d by dt of cos inverse t. So dx by dt is equal to minus 3 upon under root 1 minus t square, because derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Here t is a parameter, so it is minus 3 upon under root 1 minus t square. Similarly, we have to find dy by dt from the function y. Okay, now take another function y. Y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus t square, root 1 minus t square upon t. Substitution is same. Put t is equal to cos theta and theta is equal to cos inverse t. Function y becomes tan inverse under root 1 minus, put t is equal to cos theta, t square cos square theta upon t is equal to cos theta. Now here, by first fundamental identity, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So it becomes tan inverse root sin square theta upon cos theta. तो take the square root of sin square theta. क्या आएगा ये? Tan inverse sin theta upon cos theta. And we know that sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So it is tan inverse tan theta. And tan inverse tan x is equal to x. So y is equal to theta. Before differentiation, substitute the value of theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse t. Now differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt. What is the derivative of cos inverse t? Minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. Now use the formula. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square, and dx by dt is minus 3 upon under root 1 minus t square. This under root 1 minus t square, under root 1 minus t square will cancel. It is minus 1 upon minus 3. So it is 1 by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3. Required dy by dx is 1 by 3. Isn't it? चलिए नेक्स्ट टाइप लेते हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन. नाउ विल सी द सेकंड सब क्वेश्चन. नी डाउट नहीं? चलो फिर आगे चलते हैं. Okay, find dy by dx if x is equal to a cos theta. If x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta and theta is equal to pi by 3. So here we have to find dy by dx and theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, in the similar manner, first of all we have to find dy by dx and then lastly put theta equal to pi by 3. We will get the real value. Okay, let x is equal to a cos cube theta. Differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. dx by d theta a into d by d theta of cos cube theta. So a derivative of cos cube theta. In derivative, what is the sequence? First take the derivative of power function, then main function, then sub function. So here power function cos theta का cube, cos cube theta means cos theta का cube. So its derivative is 3 cos square theta into d by d theta of cos theta. And derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. So this is the value of dx by d theta. Now y is equal to a sin cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So it is dy by d theta a into dy by d theta of sin cube theta. Similarly, differentiate this. First take the derivative of power function. Derivative of sin cube theta is 3 sin square theta into d by d theta of sin theta. Therefore, dy by d theta is, now derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So it is 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now we have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Dx by d theta is minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. 3 get cancel, a get cancel, एक sin theta cancel होगा, एक cos theta cancel होगा. So what is remaining? dy by dx is equal to, यहाँ पे रहेगा sin theta upon minus cos theta. So dy by dx is equal to sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Dy by dx at theta is equal to, what is theta? Pi by 3, 60 degree. It is minus tan pi by 3. What is tan 60? Tan 60 means sin 60 upon cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is half. Root 2 get cancelled, so tan it is root. Dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 3 is minus root. Isn't it? Okay. और एक समझ ले इस टाइप का. Now see one more. X is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t. X is equal to cos t plus cos 2t and y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2. 2 sin t minus sin 2t at t equal to pi by, at t equal to pi by. Okay, now take the first function. Here on both sides t is a parameter, so differentiate with respect to parameter. Take first function x, from this you get dx by dt. Take another function, from this you get dy by dt. Find dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Simplify and at last put t equal to pi by 2. Now let x is equal to cos t plus cos 2. Differentiate with respect to. Differentiate with respect to. So what is dx by dt? Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Derivative of cos 2t. cos fx का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin fx into f dash x, cos 2t का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin 2t into derivative of 2t is 2. So it is minus sin t minus 2 sin 2t. This is dx by dt. Okay. Now similarly take another function. Also y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t. Differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to t. What is dy by dt? Differentiate directly. 2 outside. Derivative of sin t is cos t. Derivative of sin 2t. Derivative of sin fx is cos fx into f dash x. sin 2t का डेरिवेटिव cos 2t और 2t का डेरिवेटिव. So it is 2 cos t minus 2 cos 2t. This is dy by dt. Now therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. What is dy by dt? 2 cos t minus 2 cos 2t. What is dx by dt? Take minus sign common. Sin t plus 2 sin 2t. Now find dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. Dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. So it becomes 2 cos pi by 4 minus 2 cos 2 into pi by 4 upon minus sin pi by 4 plus 2 sin 2 into pi by 4 is equal to 2 into cos pi by 4, cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 minus 2, 2 2 are 2, cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0 upon minus sin pi by 4, 1 upon root 2 plus 2 sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay, simplify this. Okay, now its simplification is dy by dx is equal to 2 upon root 2, 2 upon root 2 minus 0. Here you can take LCM, that is root 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 2, 1 plus 2 root 2, minus sign is outside the bracket. Now here root 2 get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay, you can rationalize, you can simplify, otherwise keep it. So required derivative is 2 upon minus 2 upon 1 plus 2. Any doubt regarding to this? Okay. लास्ट में एक बार फिर कहता हूँ, वीडियो देखने के बाद शेयर दिस वीडियो योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब. डोंट फॉरगेट इट. Okay, see you.